Did you know the same ball of plutonium killed two different scientists, months apart, in the same room? At Los Alamos in 1945, Harry Daghlian was running a late-night experiment alone. He was carefully stacking tungsten carbide bricks around a fist-sized plutonium core to test how close it could get to a chain reaction. One brick slipped. The room flashed blue. He absorbed a lethal dose of radiation and died 25 days later. They called it the Demon Core. 9 months passed. The same core sat in the same lab. This time, Louis Slotin was demonstrating the same experiment to a group of colleagues. He was using a screwdriver to hold two metal hemispheres apart around the core. The screwdriver slipped. The room flashed blue again. Slotin died 9 days later. These were not careless men. They were among the sharpest physicists alive, inside the most controlled scientific program in history. The core outlived them both. It was eventually melted down and used in a nuclear weapon test in 1946. The Demon got what it wanted.